Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about Python for web development. Python is a versatile programming language often favored for web development due to its simplicity and readability, especially for beginners. Python is commonly employed to build dynamic web applications, create APIs, and develop server-side scripts. For example, popular frameworks like Django and Flask utilize Python's capabilities for web development. To create a basic web server in Python, you can utilize the built-in modules like http.server. The http.server module provides the necessary functionality to handle HTTP requests. In the given example, an instance of simple HTTP request handler is used to serve files over HTTP. By specifying a port number, e.g. port equals 8000, and setting up a TCP server with the desired IP address and port, you can start the server using the serve forever method. You can customize the server behavior by subclassing base HTTP request handler or simple HTTP request handler to handle specific HTTP request types. This allows you to build more advanced web applications or APIs. Remember that for a production-grade web server, it's recommended to use more robust frameworks like Flask or Django, which offer extensive features for building web applications. Python provides powerful libraries like SQLAlchemy and Django ORM for database interaction. SQLAlchemy, for instance, enables creating database structures using classes and objects, facilitating operations like querying and manipulation. The provided code snippet showcases the creation of a SQLite database named example.db with a users table containing columns for ID and name. It defines a user class that corresponds to the database table, showcasing how SQLAlchemy simplifies database handling in Python. Python frameworks like Flask allow developers to easily create APIs. By defining routes using decorators like @app.route, we can map URLs to Python functions. In the provided example, a simple web API endpoint is created using Flask. When a user accesses the root URL/, the function hello world runs and returns hello world. This API can be started by running app.run. Using Flask or similar frameworks, developers can build robust APIs for various purposes, such as building web services to interact with databases, creating microservices for applications, or integrating with third-party services like payment gateways. This allows for efficient communication between different software systems and components. Python is applicable for front-end development through frameworks like Django templates or Jinja 2. With Django templates, HTML files are augmented with Django template language for dynamic content rendering. In the provided example, the title and content variables will be displayed dynamically when rendered through Django. For instance, in an e-commerce website, Django templates can dynamically inject product information stored in a database into HTML templates. This ensures that the product details are updated in real time on the front end when the Django template is rendered. Overall, Django templates enable the seamless integration of Python backend logic with front-end presentation, enhancing the web application's user experience and functionality. Python is a versatile programming language known for its robust tools and frameworks in web development. From building web servers and interacting with databases to creating APIs and designing front-end interfaces, Python provides a comprehensive solution for various web development tasks. Mastering Python for web development expands your prospects in the software development industry, equipping you to work on diverse projects such as building e-commerce platforms, crafting dynamic web applications, or implementing data-driven websites. Python for web development is like a toolbox for building a house. Just like how a toolbox contains different tools for different tasks, Python has various frameworks and libraries for different aspects of web development. Django can be compared to a hammer, as it is a powerful tool for quickly building robust websites. Flask is like a screwdriver, offering a lightweight and flexible approach to building web applications. Just as a skilled carpenter knows which tool to use for each job, a proficient Python developer knows which framework or library to use for each web development task. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code snippet provided illustrates the creation of a simple web application using the Flask framework in Python for web development. 1. We start by importing the Flask module, which is a micro-web framework that enables the building of web applications in Python. 2. An instance of the Flask class is created and assigned to the variable app. 3. Route decorators are utilized to map URLs to specific functions. Here, we have defined two routes. The index route /mapped to the home function, which returns a welcoming message. The /about route mapped to the about function, which displays information about Python for web development. 4. The home and about functions define the content to be displayed when the respective routes are accessed. 5. Finally, the application is run using the app.run method with debug equals true, enabling debug mode for easy troubleshooting during development. By running this code snippet, a development server is started, and navigating to the specified URLs will display the corresponding messages on the web page. Real-world use case. A practical application of this code could be in creating a simple landing page for a new web development toolbox website. The /route could display a welcome message introducing the toolbox, while the /about route could provide information about the Python tools available for web development. Another industrial example where Python is extensively used for web development is in the context of Django framework. Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. In this scenario, Django can be likened to a versatile toolbox containing various tools required for web development tasks. With Django, developers can easily create robust web applications by leveraging its built-in features such as an admin panel, object-relational mapping, ORM, user authentication, and more. One specific application of Django in the industry is in the development of e-commerce platforms. Many online stores and marketplaces are built using Django due to its scalability, security features, and extensive documentation. Developers can efficiently handle product listings, user accounts, payment processing, and order management using Django's powerful functionalities. By utilizing the Django framework, web developers can streamline the development process, reduce repetitive tasks, and focus on implementing business logic to create feature-rich web applications. From startups to major corporations, Django has proven to be a reliable choice for web development projects across various industries, showcasing the flexibility and power of Python in building web solutions. Across the globe, Python's versatility in web development continues to make it a popular choice for building innovative and scalable web applications. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.